Hello everyone, my name is IZZNAZIFA HANIS binti Muhammad IZUAN. So today, I would like to raise an awareness campaign about deforestation, which is called Defend the Future, Defend the Forest. So what is the meaning of deforestation? Deforestation refers to the large-scale removal or destruction of forests, typically to make way for agricultural activities, urban development, or logging. It involves clearing trees and vegetation, often leading to the degradation of ecosystems and loss of biodiversity. So what are the issues on deforestation? Well, the first one is increased carbon in air. Deforestation on a large scales can actually increase the level of harmful carbon gases in our air. Plants serve as the primary medium for the spread of oxygen because they carry out the process of photosynthesis. Based on research, about 368 million tons of carbon dioxide might be released into the atmosphere if 2.4 million hectares were cleared. Well, the second one is endangered species. Many species, including endangered ones like Malayan tiger and orangutan, are put in danger where forests are destroyed. The complex biological network that sustain wildlife are threatened by deforestation, which also disturbs the habitats. For example, research shows that forest removal can raise local temperature by up to 4.5 Celsius, which puts additional stress on species that are already at risk. So let's take a look at the problem that we are currently facing. Well, Malaysia is on track to lose 2.3 million hectares of forest, reducing its canopy cover from 55.3% to 47.4%. This is according to a study conducted in March 2023 by Rimba Watch, which analyzed tree cover loss data from Global Forest Watch. Between 2017 and 2021, Malaysia saw 3.9244 hectares of deforestation. A report by Rimba Watch titled State of the Malaysian Rainforest 2023 reveals that Malaysia has earmarked 2346601 hectares of forest for deforestation, an area 100 times the size of Kuala Lumpur. These areas are being cleared for palm oil and timber plantation, primarily in the country forests. So what are the goals of this campaign? The first one is to educate the community about the effects that will occur to the environment if deforestation continues to happen frequently. And the second one is to instill a sense of responsibility in the community to take care of the environment with a loving attitude so that the environment can be used properly. And the last one is to guide the community on the appropriate steps that should be taken to prevent continuous deforestation. So let's take a look at root cause in deforestation. In this era of globalization, Malaysia is not exempt from modern development which involves large-scale projects. This modern development is the main factor driving widespread deforestation. This is carried out because the existing land is insufficient to accommodate the upcoming development, and therefore, new area must be cleared to ensure the success of this project. So let's take a look about ways to start an awareness. So we'll start with parents first. Parents can introduce children to the concept of the environment and the importance of forests from an early age. Storybooks, documentaries, or videos about forest life and the effects of deforestation can be effective tools for raising an awareness. Second, parents can also demonstrate concern for the environment through daily practice such as planting trees, reducing paper usage, or recycling. Children tend to imitate their parents' behavior, so by setting a good example, they will more easily understand the importance of taking care of the environment. And the second one is the government. The government can strengthen environmental campaigns to raise awareness among the public about the importance of protecting the environment. The second one is government can also impose fines on those who engage in illegal logging, which leads to the destruction of animal habitats. Additionally, the government can invest in projects aimed at restoring forests that have been damaged due to illegal deforestation. And the third one is non-government association. They can hold an event replanting trees in deforested area, which is reforestation, and planting trees in non-forested area, afforestation, can actually restore the ecosystems, enhance biodiversity, and sequester carbon from the atmosphere. Program should focus on native species to ensure ecological compatibility. And the last one is school. The school can organize various competitions to encourage students to learn about the importance of plant in life. By offering attractive prize, these activities can also help discover students' talent. Furthermore, the school can collaborate with environmental agencies to hold talks on the steps that should be taken to prevent deforestation. This will actually lead to an awareness among the students to create a better future based on their listening. And I really hope that this campaign will reach all the targeted audience so that the paradigm steps will be taken by all the community. Deforestation really gave us a bad situation that we have been facing over decades. And as the conclusion, deforestation is a serious problem with broad effects on biodiversity and the environment. Widespread forest destruction for logging, urbanization, and agricultural growth has damaged ecosystems, reduced habitats for endangered species, and raised carbon emission, all of which have contributed to climate change. Millions of hectares of forests are being cut down for lumber plantations and palm oil, causing severe deforestation, especially in Malaysia. Communities, governments, schools, and parents must collaborate to address this by increasing knowledge, fostering a sense of responsibility, and putting policies like afforestation and deforestation into an action. We can actually change our biodiversity, safeguard our forests, and lessen the effects of climate change for upcoming generations if we work together. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching.